lang.
Why, Mom?
I'm just happy.
Why?
Okay, say, hi guys!
Hi, guys!
Good evening!
Not good evening.
What time
Good
is it?
night, dads.
Ah!
Good night, guys.
No. Mommy have a question for you.
Okay, guys.
You answer it with all your heart, okay?
With all my heart.
Yeah.
I
Okay, first
I got
questions.
I got many hearts.
No, you don't have a lot of hearts. That's why I said answer it with all your heart.
What's all my heart?
It means you must be honest.
Cool.
Okay? Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a singer and a dancer.
Why?
I like that.
Show to them example how you sing.
Let it go. Let it go. The here will stay with the now. With here you stay. With the problems now. The here is the here
Why?
I
You
go.
look so
Let
cute.
it go.
Let it
Let it go. Let it go. But the here will stay with it now. With here you stay. With the problems stay. The problems now. There's
Oh,
nobody now.
galing, galing. Very good, very good. Good answer and good singing. Next. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my melody toy.
Melody toy? Oh, where is it now? Ah, the one that is that's a car?
I'm
Melody
going to
car?
show them how it
Ah,
looks
sige,
like
wait lang guys.
Uber.
Show to them.
Watch.
Is that your favorite toy?
Yes.
Oh, this is a melody.
He drive for ages and
You
ages.
need to press it this way, guys.
And then he will drive for ages.
Wow.
See?
It's nice.
He drives a long time.
Okay, next question si Mami.
Wow. You don't stop. Wow.
What do you think clouds are made of?
They're made of pillows.
Oh, don't move that.
Made of the pillows.
The clouds?
Yes.
Why it made of pillows?
I mean, it's made of clouds.
Yeah, what clouds are made of what do you think? It is made of what?
The rain,
The water.
the water,
Oh, and then
the sun is made of
clouds lagin as ni Mommy. The
Okay.
clouds are made of oh, don't move the pillow.
the water.
Water. Okay, good answer. Good, good.
How did you like that?
Hmm?
How did you like that?
Wait lang. And let me ask you, who's your best friend?
My best friend is Mommy.
Oh, si Mom!
No, you're not my best
And who
friend.
else? Who else?
And Ate Yang Yang.
And who else?
And Anek.
And who else?
Si Kanay.
And who else pa?
Si Ate Ika.
And who else pa? Damo ba mo best
Si
friend?
Basban.
But who's your most very, very cutest friend?
Much cutest friend is Kanay.
Si Kanay.
Because she's a kid.
She's
Look
a
what happened to
kid.
my feet, guys.
Oh. And then,
Oh,
what is your most favorite play with Mommy?
hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Why you like to play that?
And there was a play with Mommy did. Let me show you how you ride, guys.
Oh, later na. You say good night muna to the guys.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys. Love you, Dad. Love you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
We'll show you guys how this melody toy will
Drive.
work or drive. Sige.
Here it comes.
Oh, like that. Oh.
Us?
Another one.
What? No more one.
Ate! Slide one. Not there. Shh. Oh, ito saka ito sa babaw. Dali ko pas may gatapos yung kita dayon. Saka unto. Tapos yun na itong oras, uli na kita. Slide yun, te. Slide yun. Slide yun. Slide yun. Hadlock ikaw. Hadlock, imaw. Cut, cut. Sit properly.
Chair 1225.
Oh, sige. Buhati. Buha na yun, kadali. Get daw ito nakuha raho. Raho. Basi! Ay, pala po.
And small. Put it inside your gunny. Put this. Okay. Tama mo na kung lalo pa naman classmates. Is your classmate Tagalog? I cannot see.
Okay, open your eyes. What's that? Show to the guys.
I didn't suspect this. I told you you picked the white one. Yay, I got it. I told you.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What to say to mommy? Show to the guys.
I didn't know.
What do you call that?
I'm gonna call her Bushy Marine Dumpling. The
Okay.
rainbow one, I'm going to call it
Where?
Rainbow. What's that one?
I don't know.
I'm going to call the other one Rainbow's Dumpling.
Okay. Rainbows dumpling squishy. Oh, nice. Well, show the face.
I told you.
Nice, bon.
Squishy too.
Look guys. Wait now. Look at the eyes. Where's the eyes?
Guys,
Where is it, the eyes? Here. Look at that. Oh! I'm scary, guys. I'm scary. Picture ani mabali doon na nanay. Liko.
Mabali ang liaw doon na nga. Tapos
Cut. Babe na babe. Heavy pa man ikaw. Picture mo gan madali picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile.
sunod sa anang nga meat lang. Meat lang. Ginambay na nga magkaroon.
Ibig sabihin, gali, nag-ubra pa, tagaliro ginoo at ibang mga tao na maliban kay Ibag, Adan.
Oo.
Oh, abi na ko na kay Ibag, Adan. kita
Hindi. Ito ang nangyahom ito tao. Magkaroon tao ito sa aking lugar. Tapos ako nga sa Adan as Iba, no? Sino nang ginunga ni Adan as Iba? Mia. Ano yung inawa si Kae, nagsaabel. Ay, siya. Sa Adan as Iba, ginbutang sanda ito sa lugar it mga ano ho, sa Eden, mga kahuyan. Kahuyan. Karong kahoy, magagabuo nga ron. Pero mas ang bilog imong kahoy nga gituro kay Adan at kay Iba nga hindi gid ninyo pagtandugon ra haron nga kahoy. Dahil kung inyo nga tandugon ang buo nila, magkaroon ka mo ito sa aron. Ano na nga haron abe. Ay ano't anay may tukso nga sawa.
Oh. Wala man gid sa asawa ko.
Ito bing si ano sa puno kahoy. Uli panapano sa ano si Iba. Nandun niya sa panapano sa hard meat eating. Nakita sanda it sawa.
Madideng! Madideng!
Iba nga nit ng
Gibidya ako.
Oo, bigyan ako sa bigyan.
Love you.
Ooh.
What to say to daddy?
Dad.
Love you, love you, love you. Ayun.
Ooh.
Can I kiss your boo-boo?
Stop it, Dad.
Daddy, bubu.
We can stop it na, Dad.
Huh?
We can already stop it.
Huh?
We gave it to my boo-boo.
Yeah, I really kiss your boo-boo. The boo-boo will go away because my mouth is bantuk. That's why the boo-boo ran away.
Huh?
The boo-boo smells bad. Daddy's mouth. That's why the boo-boo ran away.
As daddy,
Might
Nak.
might
Daddy,
not
when
be
you gonna-
Daddy.
as daddy, when you gonna go home, Dad?
When we come home, Dad, we'll go to SM na po.
It's good and SM, Dad.
Sige nga. Pusin kita sa Rojas. Ilo. Rojas ka?
Roa City dayon kita, Dad. Mag-uli ikaw.
Sige. Rojas tayo. Uli lang kita dahil galing airport tapos pagka morning, Rojas tayo kita.
Wow. Wow. Tell
Daddy will just bring my stuff to our house and then go to SM Robinson. Wala SM sa Robinson na? Sa house na? Wala SM sa Rojas na?
Ay, da. Why the SM mo da? Nak, no?
Di ba before Robinson lang ito, ma'am? Yeah, before kasi when mommy and daddy go to Rojas, only Robinson.
Mali ka agad sa English. Di ka lagi ka pa sa English pa.
What's your number?
Ha?
Number 67.
Hey, Dad.
Because
Hey, what's your name?
Number
What's my name? Oh, my name.
My name is Leading.
No. Nakakamanda.
What's your number? Oh, my number? Yes.
What's your number?
7. What?
My number is
6, 7.
only 7.
Dad, your name. Your name is Polly. Oh, nice name. What's your number?
Haroon. Ano
My
man na?
number?
Bo,
7.
bo, mas dali na ba si daddy?
7. Yeah!
Abaw. Abaw. Abaw.
Daddy Matsu.
Ay, kamusta lipa?
What did you say?
What's your number? Oh, my number?
My number is 0. My number is 0. What's your number, Mom? Hey, what's your name?
My name is Polly. Ah.
My name is Mimi.
What's your number?
My name is Mimi.
6, 7.
My number is 0. My number is 0. Huh?
Hello, girl.
How's your boo-boo?
Good, not so good, darling.
How's your ubo and sipon? It's going better?
Not so good.
Not also good.
Oh, stop on playing.
You said you
Stop
feel
on
okay.
playing, okay?
Why you're not telling the truth to me?
Look, Mom, naiinit akong head.
Ano si? Aba, waray man nga ni.
Sabi,
We are in it because we are alive. If we are cold, we are patay. Tell daddy.
okay. Hello?
Are you okay? Papa Jesus will remove your boo-boo away.
Parang pumayat,
Hello.
parang pumayat nga si baby pa eh. Tingnan mo, parang
Hello, girl.
pumayat nga siya. Dabi nagpansin na.
Wala pag
Hi.
magtubo ang bata. Ganyan pag magtubo ang bata.
Name is
Baka nga siguro nagtatubo ni siya.
What's the number? Oh,
Matangkad kasi liwat kasi dali. Matangkad.
6, 7.
Liwat kasi sa dali. Di ba na ka? Liwat kasi ako dali na pero you will tawag dito.
Tagalogan na
My
lagod.
number? Yes.
Tagalogan na gud na la. Tagalogan na lagod.
Tagalog pa na.
Tagalog.
Tagalog pa na.
Tagalog na lagamay pa. Okay.
Nak. Tagalog. Tagalog lang kita, nak. Kaya dali ka na speak English very well.
Pero pag ako nagtatagalog, parang hindi ako marunong magtagalog kay Kat.
Nasanay ka na sa English eh.
Parang mas easy ako magsalita sa kanya ng English.
I miss you. I miss you, Mommy and Rino.
Miss you more, Dad.
Ma, I miss you, Ma.
Mag-sleep na kami early. Kami klase
Love,
kami
love.
tomorrow.
Love, love, Dad.
Okay.
Love, love. Love, 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 Dad.
Sleep na ikaw, okay?
Love, love,
Sleep,
me.
mag-love kami ni Mommy.
Love, love, Dad.
I love you, Dad.
Love you.
No, Tagalog ako love.
Sige. Mahal kita.
Hala,
That's I love you in Tagalog. Say it, Daddy.
but
Mahal. Mahal kita, Daddy.
But love, love. Also the part.
Love, 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 love mo more.
Oh, like that. But in Tagalog or in Filipino, mahal kita, Daddy. Sige, sige. Behave lagi. Mahulugan ka nga ng cellphone sa imong face. When this phone fell down in your face, it's really ouchy, ha? So, stop moving my hand. Ay. Sige. Isa pa. She is really like that, Dad. When it comes to school, she don't even listen to your teacher as well.
Ay, look bad ito. You must be nice always.
Pala ko sa
You should listen to your teacher. When you're in school, you must be listen. You just when you go inside, you just sit down, listen. No playing.
I was not praying there, Dad.
But you should listen also to your teacher. When you are in school, stop running.
I didn't run either there. I didn't either run. I walked only there.
Good student. If you are always a good student, you will have reward always from mommy and daddy.
If you're always a good student at school, you will always have a reward from mommy and
Mommy and daddy
dad.
will give you reward.
Oh, see?
Hmm?
Her favorite reward right now, Dad, is her squishy. Ano nga nito na?
Dumplings.
Squishy dumplings, Dad. Oh,
Where are you? Are you mad?
why are you mad to Daddy?
Always don't like always to with me. Always play with Sib.
Are you mad? Are you mad, Daddy?
Or two of you.
Wow. He's mad on us,
You
Dad.
always
You
take
are
up
mad
Sib.
to us?
Huh?
You always take up Sib. Either don't bother me to play with
Sib? Why? Are you jealous of Sib? Baby Sib? Baby Sib.
ka mami po.
Baby Sib is a little boy man. She's your friend. He is your friend. Baby Sib is baby. Why? Di ba you said you like to be ate? Oh.
Sometimes he always throw the toys we buy a gift for him.
We already give it to Sib, the toys.
But when he's here and when he bring the water, he always throw it to the ground. He don't
Sib,
give,
Sib always throw it to ground.
yeah, that is a gift from us.
Because Sib cannot hold it all the toys. It's so heavy. Sib hands is only small.
But that toy's only one.
Oh, Daddy, press that toy. Okay, ready, go.
Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart.
For the King of Kings. Again. Making melody. Ano yan?
Thumbs up.
Oh.
Making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, making melody in my heart, the King of Kings.
Ano pa? Making. Ano pa?
Thumbs in,
Oh, that's
elbows out. He's better making melody in my heart.
again.
Melody in my heart, making melody in my in the King of
King. Galing. Isa pa.
In, elbows out.
Oh, sige.
Bend in a box,
Oh.
making melody in my heart, making melody.
In my heart for the King.
Okay.
Good job. Isa pa.
Galing nila.
Ano pa nga nito na? Give thanks. Dali, ito pa. Isa pa.
Thanks to the grateful heart, give thanks when the
holy.
give thanks.
Ay, ito.
Give thanks in the holy love. Cha.
Ay, ambot ni mo.
O kaya pagkanta. I miss you na. Ayaw ka.
Sino run? Sino man run? Hala. Tell Daddy. Ano pa nga na ito? Ano? Talaga naman. Hindi ka pa magpuyo, ha? You're not gonna behave. Okay, sige. Oh. Basta tuloy.
You're not playing kasi while you're drinking nam-nam. Stop na staying while drinking.
So, Daddy, let's have a milk, Dad.
Mommy,
Daddy,
Pagkita na ikaw milk.
let's have a drink in a mug, Dad.
Basta drink
Daddy
what?
said you want to
Basta
drink
drink
coke in
your
a
milk.
bottle. Daddy said you want to drink a num in a bottle.
okay mo. Your daddy is just pranking you.
Daddy said you're going to drink coffee in a bottle. Ah! I acting like a baby, Dad.
Yeah. Because I'm your mommy's baby. Ask mommy. I'm her baby.
That's this
Baby.
guy.
Akon, baby.
Yeah, I'm your also mommy's baby. Because mommy also tell me, I love you, baby. Yeah. That's why I'm your mommy's baby.
Are you sure, Dad? Taka ka man, Dad.
Akon, ganun.
Yeah.
Akon, kid mo, Mom.
Kiss na lang, Mami. Kiss, Mami. Give Mami a kiss.
No, Daddy kiss.
Alright, daddy kiss. Kiss na lang natin daddy para dili si daddy masad. Who do you love the most, Dad? Your sheep or baby cat?
Baby cat po.
Oh, baby cat. Who do you love the most?
Ako
Your
daw, Mama.
your
ako daw.
motor or baby cat?
Baby cat po.
Wow. Ikaw love
Ako daw, Mama.
Kapot. Who do you love the most, Nak? Si daddy or imo nga doll?
Si Daddy, yeah.
Aba, si daddy. Who do you love the most? Si daddy or your capybara?
Si Daddy.
Si daddy ngayon.
Daddy.
Who do you love the most? Your unicorn sticker o si daddy?
Si Daddy.
Aba, si daddy.
Oh, daddy.
Yeah, the one that we bought sa top.
But I already finished it.
Who do you love the most? Your pink whiteboard or si daddy? The one that we bought earlier sa
Si
home
Daddy,
care.
yeah.
Aba, nag-shopping na po siya, Dad, nga to sa home care. Nag-buy na.
Oh, no.
Di ba nak, when daddy come home, we will bring daddy nga to sa home care?
Daddy, we ever down the venues the home care when you come home.
Ano?
And then Daddy, we buy a pink board and capybara sticker. Many things.
Okay, I told you.
Okay.
Nag-shopping siya nga to, Dad. Tapos nag-buy pa siya, Dad.
We will go to-
Guys,
We will go to
Dad. May
Capybara
nihampangan
sticker?
pa, capybara sticker pa, Dad.
And then
Damo
a
siya
pink board.
ginbay. Wala man siya nga ni Manny.
Smell ba ako, Mom?
May dasya mami, ma'am.
Wala man siya money, Dad. Poor man.
Is it nice? Home care not? Home care is nice.
Daddy, nagda.
Is home care nice ko, no?
Yes. Daddy,
Daddy, home care is nice when you have money.
Daddy, anay.
Daddy. Like that lang. Like that lang. Ay, ano ba ito?
Natot.
Ang baho ba? Baho pa utot niya, Dad. Baho ba? Murag si Daddy. Baho.
Wish ako, Mom.
Bango. Daddy, ma'am.
Yeah, my for today. I like.
Are we going to fetch Daddy sa
What else pa?
Are we going to fetch Daddy sa airport soon? Are you excited?
Yes, Daddy. I will going to purchase the earth. Oh yeah, Take it up now.
Oh,
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Take my put the body in my copy.
We will. This hotel or we'll just go home?
Did Daddy tell Mom?
Ito naman, kala mo, elementary kausap.
What did Daddy tell Mom?
I don't know about him. You asked him.
What did
I
you say,
told
Dad?
him about. Dali na.
I'm asking if you will fetch daddy at the airport, what do you like? We will go home directly or we will stay in hotel?
You like to stay sa hotel or you're gonna go home directly sa house?
That's just hotel.
Haman diretso sa hotel.
I'm going to stay hotel forever.
Why you like to stay sa hotel?
Tapos yun.
Daddy, there's just hotel. Hindi there's just a balay.
Dapat yung hotel na kunin natin pa yung meron siyang pool, may swimming pool ba? Madami dun sa Kalibo mga hotel na may
Marsan na meron dun. Marsan ba? Ano magkano sa kaso?
Ano na?
First, Mel? Para ma-finish dahil mo, Mel.
Bakting.
Once. I will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Daddy? That's
One, man, one.
Slowly.
Ay! One. Pan.
Very good. Next. Di makita. Up.
Lap. Tap. Gap. Map. Sap. Plat.
Ano ron? Na.
Nut. One.
Ha?
Wap.
Wrap. Next there. Sige, go.
Nut.
Ak.
Up.
Mm.
Jack.
Mm.
Hat.
Sige.
Lot.
Mm.
That.
What's this letter?
D.
B. What's the sound of B?
Ba.
Oh, add
Back.
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 Okay. Adi pa.
Lot.
What letter is that?
T.
Oh, what's the sound of T? Oh,
Cat.
tak.
Top. Sap.
Very good.
Wap.
Very good.
Pop.
Very good, anak. Here, next. What's that? Oh, how to read that? At. Oh, like that. Okay, go.
Sap.
Sat. Show to them like that. Okay.
Pop.
Pat. Very good.
Wap.
Very good. Rat.
Wap. Ma. Mom.
What?
Mom.
Oh, no. Like this, hold like that.
Mommy.
Read it. Read. What's this?
M.
M-A-T. Read. Mat.
Ma. Bat.
Oh, very good.
Cat.
Very good.
One.
Fat. Run. Fat.
What? Hat.
Hot. Very
Also-
good. Madali.
Daddy, just
Wala pa si daddy. Wait lang, Ani. You're so excited. Oh, tell him.
look at my Benny toy, Dad.
Not brand new toy.
I'm gonna show that. That's my special toy.
I really saw that one,
My
really.
special toy dumpling.
Enough na ito. And then what else pa? You're going to show dad.
Maybe you give.
Tell daddy tayo to ano.
Get the shopping for you.
Not the other one. No, that one. The other one. Ito, yan. Dali ka mga leave that one there.
Dada,
Tell daddy, close your eyes mo na.
it's your ice.
Come here, dear ka, oh.
Just your ice, Dad.
Come here, dear.
Daddy?
Are you closing eyes?
Close your eyes, dad.
What's
Sit
it?
down.
Daddy, don't stop!
Oh, really, Daddy, so Daddy.
So that's it. Open it. Just broke the paper. Just broke it na lang, I said.
Well,
Sige pa. Faster. Broke it. Sige pa.
oh.
Dad, open his eyes.
Open your eyes, Dad.
No, daddy.
Let's go.
Okay na?
Open na.
What is that?
The Benny toy. Where will you put this?
Open it. Just show daddy.
Ano, Anton?
Ano daw ito? Daddy asking you.
T-shirt.
That's daddy.
Benny t-shirt.
Your brand new t-shirt, dad.
That's now.
That is my t-shirt.
Gusto mong bilhin kanina pa.
Thank you.
Para sa'yo daw.
You gotta give it to me.
Oh,
Daddy, say
Ah?
thank you.
ganda.
Dad.
Anong
Daddy,
daddy?
si Ton?
Daddy, say thank you nga nito yo.
You will.
Another one. Open the other one. Another one pa. This one.
We have to say your
May another one pa, dad. Wait lang.
For that.
si Ton.
For another. Adi pa din. Adi yung first na.
There's a pillow there.
Where's the other one?
Damo,
Where's the other?
namin si baby.
Other one, the mom.
Show daddy that.
Where's the other
It's
one?
only two.
Oh.
Show daddy the other one, Anay. Show this one. Show daddy this one. Tell daddy that you choose that for dad.
Asya?
You're the one who choose that?
Oh,
Galing.
siya nagpili si Ton. Gusto
Thank
daw,
you.
sabi niya pa,
Thank you,
I want to buy this. I want to buy this for daddy, mom. Please buy this. This is very nice, sabi niya. Put it back na nga na ka.
Mami.
You're welcome, dad. Put it lang na nga to. Put it lang nga to sa table. Put it back sa table, ha?
Thank you, ma. I miss you.
Daddy said thank you.
Thank you, bro.
I miss you more, dad. Tell daddy, hindi! Tell daddy na, good night, dad.
Good night. Daddy also will sleep na.
Sleep na kami, dada kami.
Night.
Kay may medicine kasi ako, dad. May medicine kasi itun. So pretty. Wow.
Love you.
Tell daddy, what did you do today? We went to Unitap.
Nauban si Chiska.
Uban si Ate Chiska, dad. Luoy, Ate Chiska, dad.
Oh, you play together.
Luoy po ako.
Luoy, pud kat, dad.
Oh.
Boy, boy,
Papa Jesus, get the boob away.
Nag-pray na siya, dad. Iyagi pray po si
I
Ate
love
Chica.
you.
Nanak, no? To remove all your bubos.
Good job.
I want to get this. Look at this fishy dumplings.
Tapos may
Come
kami
early.
bagong toy, dad. May kami
Don't sleep
new toy, dad.
Fishy dumplings.
This is what you call.
Fishy
I
dumplings.
will read. Squishy fidget pan. Or squishy dumpling. Show daddy. Did daddy slow na?
Baby.
Para man ko dumplings, dad. The one that is glittery.
Can't believe you.
Ito, mag-sleep na ka mo.
Which one you like the most?
Love you.
Which one do you like the most?
Did they love you more? Louder.
I love you
I
more.
love you.
Which one do you like the most? Comment.
I like this stick page. Oh my God. I like this, dad. I
Yes.
like this. Ikaw, siya
I
siya,
also
daddy.
like that.
You
How
like
are you, Daddy? How about baby?
Maho?
Oh,
Can I smell?
It smells like a gasoline.
thank you. Mag-sleep. Put it down na. Tidy up na ito.
Tidy up na tayo ng sleep na kita dali na.
Alam mo,
Tulog na kami pa. Pagod na
mga
po.
kasawa.
Look that. Look,
Patulog na kami.
I
Good
love
night.
you.
I love you so much. I love you so much, dad.
Look,
Tell
Love
daddy,
you.
together we're now. Wait.
Oh,
tell daddy, I love you so much,
I
dad.
love you more, Dad. Oh my God.
Tell daddy,
Wow, pag ako nang pa.
I like it.
I'm breathing. I'm jumping in the air. I'm breathing. I'm breathing. I'm jumping in the air. I'm going up to the moon.
Too late na doon.
Go, man.
Ay, mabubuhay ka.
Dali na. Pa,
Na,
phone down na kami. Lights off na.
Look, Dad.
okay, ma. Isip na ako, I love you.
Love you.
I miss you, mami. Yan.
I miss you.
Ikaw.
Ano oras man duty mo later?
Alas 3 lang ang plus sa akin.
Nag-lights off na. Sige na pa. Babay na. Good night,
Sige
Dad.
na.
I love you so much, Dad. Sila, Dad. I miss you, Dad. Hala, scary ba ito? Look scary man, Dad. Hala. 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 Press red na, Dad. Babay na.
Don't scare me.
Babay na, Dad. Bye-bye.
Ano po na ako, Dad?
Bye. Love you. Bye.
What to say to Daddy?
David.
Scary ba ito?
Scare me, ikaw, Dad. Love you, Dad. Ay!
Ano ba ito? May ayos mo tumumo.
Bye-bye. I love you.
Alright, I miss you, Dad. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye.
Good night, Dad. Good night, Dad.
Love you.
Miss you so much.
I love.
See you soon.
I miss you.
Tell Daddy, see you soon, Daddy.
Thank you.
Tell Daddy, see you soon, Daddy.
See you soon, Dad.
See you. Mama.
Bye-bye na, Dad. Rina will press the red na. Toy. Gusto ni Baby Cat like that, Dad, a new electric car.
I want like Muppet past one. But we will never lose. But it's too mahal.
Mahal ano? Expensive. Daddy cannot afford. Ay, naku.
I miss you. I love you.
I miss you pa. I love you more. Ay, dati niniyan siya ano. Ano pa?
Ewan ko lang.
Ano may oras mo balik sa work?
Ano ito? Squatro huling araw. Squatro.
May da siya klase tomorrow, Dad.
Mag-sleep ka mo early.
Mag-sleep na kami, Dad, early.
You don't like a
Oo. Tell Daddy.
Okay.
Say good night, Anay, kay Daddy
Good night,
properly.
Dad.
No moving. Say good night, Anay,
Good
Daddy.
night, Dad.
Look sa camera.
Good night,
I
Dad.
love you.
May da kami new song, Dad. Listen, Dad, ha? Listen, ha?
The great thing to praise the Lord is the great thing to praise the Lord is the great thing to praise the Lord. The light of God. Walk, walk, walk
Galing.
in the light. Walk, walk, walk.
Walk,
In
walk,
the
walk,
light.
walk in the light. Walk, walk, walk in the light.
Oh,
Walking in the
galing ng
light
Dad,
of
no? Galing,
God.
no?
Tablet, tablet.
Sing ka.
Galing.
Ano pa? Isa pa nga song. Ano nga nito na?
Worship is
Ah.
how. I want to show Daddy how many song worship is all. I want to show him.
You already sing it? Oh, sing again daw. I didn't hear kasi. Sing.
Worship is all. Munade.
Bless the...
No,
Again,
Bless the Lord.
the Lord, oh my soul. Oh, my soul.
Be proper.
Worship is all. Munade.
Sing like...
Never before. Oh, my soul.
Wow, galing dad no. May dapat sa.
Galing.
May
Good
dapat.
job.
Ano pa nga nito kung sa music na? Ang
Worship.
been so good to me.
And so,
Sit down, sit down. So,
so
sige. So good
good
to me. God, I can't believe how you love me. So, been so good to me.
I
Practice ko pa ako.
Lapong ito, ma'am.
Practice naman dad ha.
Lapong
Practice
ito,
on.
ma'am.
Good night na pa.
Okay, love you. I miss you. Good night.
Good night. Hi, man tablet. Ay, dali, ani ka, dali. Ay, wala ka na. Good night, ha. Bina, babe na. Dali na. Dali, good night na. Dali na.
Good night,
Be
Dad.
proper, ha. Be proper, ha.
Good night,
Good
Dad.
night.
And,
I love you.
Good night. Love you.
Mama Chuck you.
and, heart, heart.
Mommy,
Love you.
How to say I love you, ay, daddy?
Huh?
How to, how to say daddy love you,
I
na?
love you, Dad.
I love you, dad. And
I love you.
what else to say to daddy? Please?
Please take care of her. We're going to see you next time.
Next month. Soon. Wow, we're going excited. Ano, may lamok? Ano, something is, ano. Sige na pa, kaya ako lang siya patablit. Tunog 5 minutes bago matulog. Mag-chat
I
lang.
love you. Bye-bye.
Ay,
Oh, kakain na rin ako din.
may dapat tuniyan pa, no? Yung mo na dapat na siya, ano ba? Yung mo na ba siya dapat gina warm up? Ba,
Hello.
hindi, itong kamao.
Hello. Pakunto na.
Ha? Sige na, good night na.
Magwakap ko na yan.
Papa,
Bye-bye. Love you.
Papa, I love you. I love you, Dad.
Love you. Love you.
Kiss pa, Daddy. Oh, kiss na lang.
Bye-bye.
Kiss, Dad. Kiss, Mommy. Ano, babe? Ano, kiss, Mommy. Let's kiss, Daddy. Kung,
Bye-bye.
babay na pa. Babay na. Love you.
Oh, my.
Miss Katia, Jessie Adelon.
What is A?
Assis.
Wait lang.
My name is Katia, Jessie Assis Delon. Adelon.
Who is your mother?
Was Marie Assis Delon.
Who's your father?
Jason Blanky Delon.
Okay.